How to market your business on Google for free. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial in which I'll show you how to market your business using Google for free. So let's get started. When it comes to running your successful business online, we need to promote our business every now and then. And in promotion, we need to invest thousands of dollars and we have to pay different platforms, run ads on different, websites, and it takes a lot of time and also takes a lot of effort and money. So, how we can market our business using Google tools that are completely free and it gives you organic traffic and helps you grow your business. So, that's what we will cover in this tutorial. All the different tools that I will be using today are completely free and powered by Google. So let's get into it. First of all, what I want you guys to do is simply go to your Google and you can go to the Google Apps. In Google Apps, you will be able to find that Google just not only gives you a search engine, but it also has different apps such as Google Business. We have Meet, Gmail, of course, we have Photos, and then we have Sheets, Blogger. Then we have our Google Sites, we have Google Travel, Google Maps. So all of these apps are provided by Google and are completely free. So to get started, you just need a Google account and then you can use any of the different apps. The first way you can promote your business on Google is using Google Maps. So you can go to google.com/maps and it will take you to Google Maps. And how we can promote our business here, it's just a map. Well, you can see when somebody opens up a map, or even you, when you go to a new place or you want to find a good restaurant, you want to find a good attraction, any hotels near you, you go to Google and you search for it. And then Google shows you some results that this is the best hotel out there, this is the hotel near you, this is a restaurant you should check out, and we see the restaurants that are available on Google Map. How they are available? Their owners create a profile on Google Map and they're using this technique to market their business. And that's what you need to do too. On Google Maps, you can see if we just click on restaurants, it will actually show me the different restaurants around the area that I have selected. And I will be able to actually see that we have these restaurants, and these are all businesses that people are promoting with Google Maps. So, this is how we can also promote our restaurant. We can also promote our salon. We can promote our car workshop, anything. So, you can see if I search for maybe, let's say I have a business of car. So, I can go with car workshop, right? So you can see it will show me different results, and it's small businesses that people are promoting, and they have added their direction and a website as well. So Google Map is the first way you can promote your business on Google for free. It is completely free to create your own Google Map, profile, and you can add your restaurant or your hotel right here so that people, when they search for any of the area, any of the restaurant, they will be driven to your business because you are using this market technique, which is Google Maps. The next way you can market your business using Google for free is going to be creating your own website. What you can do is you can go to sites.google.com and it will take you right here. It is also known as Google Sites, and what we can do is we can create a professional website here, and it is completely free. Click on the blank right here and it will take you to the editor where you can create a website. There are already different videos on this channel on how to use Google Sites to create a professional website. You can see we can create different pages, and I can add my business page here. I can add my portfolio. We can create a page for, let's say if I'm in marketing niche, I have a marketing business, I can create a website with Google Sites. If I want to promote my YouTube channel, I can use a website with Google, and I don't have to pay different platforms. There are a lot of platforms out there, but they also have pricing plans and they're a little complicated. So if you're looking for a free way to create a website, the easiest way, where you can add images, you can add buttons, dividers, social links, your calendar, even Google Maps, and also embed sheet forms and charts, then you can go ahead and check out sites.google.com. So you create a page here. You can go to pages and you can create more than one page. For example, for a business, I would suggest creating a home page, then contact us, where you will add different contact details. Then you can also add appointment details if you have an appointment type of business. Then you can add that page. You can also add a business page, and then you can go to insert and embed images, select the content blocks, dividers, and social links. And this way you will have your own professional website is the best way to promote any business on Google, because the search bar right here, we are driven to the different websites. You can also get your own domain name with sites.google.com, and this way you will have a professional business online and you will have your own website. The next way you can promote your business using Google for free is going to be through Google Forms. So, how we can market our business with Google Forms. So, this is actually a way we use, and as a complete beginner, it may sound a little hectic to you that, oh, okay, so we have to create a form first and collect emails, and then create a Google sheet for that. Go to the sheets right here, for example. Let me actually quickly show you some of the apps so that if I talk about them, what I am saying is that we will be using Google Forms to create a form. I'll actually show you how to get email from different people. Let's say I have a website or I have a YouTube channel. There I can add the link for my Google form. I can share this form with different people. What we will do is we will collect Gmail. We will collect email addresses of people, and then we can create our own sheet with using Google Sheets, which is also completely free. And then you can do email marketing for your business, and you will be using the free tools provided by Google. How to create a form? Simply click on Go to Forms on docs.google.com, and here we can create a contact information form. Let me quickly show you. Alright, so you can see I am going to be creating a simple form to collect email, contact information. We can add a form description here, and we can also give it a name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it Test Market. So you can call it Test Market Email, or you will give it your business name, and then we have description. So I want people to fill in their name and email address. That's what I want. Their simple address, I do not want that, so I can delete this one. I'm going to delete it. I will be creating a very simple contact information. Phone number, some people are not comfortable with this, so I'm going to delete as well. And I will be just adding name and email address, and then we have comments. I can add maybe another image, video, or a section to it. So you can see we can create different sections to a form. So this is my form here. The section 1 is the form that I want to go for. We have contact information, name, and email address. So I can embed this form anywhere I want to. I can also get my own link, with my Google form. So I will create this form, and I can also add it to my website right here. This is going to be another additional thing to market my business. So I can collect email like this. I don't need to go to a fancy website or a platform and pay them hundreds of dollars in order to create forms, when we can create forms within our Google Docs. So I have created a form. I have email addresses. Let's say I collected 1,000 email addresses. Now what I will do is I will collect that data in my Google Sheets. After that, I will create my email marketing campaigns, and we can also do that with our G Suite now on Google. And I will create emails, and I can use my simple Gmail, and what I can do is create different email and create email marketing campaigns using Gmail and send these mails to the addresses that I collect. So we can use Google, all the different apps that are provided by google.com, and we can actually market our business for free. We don't need to buy different plans and invest in different platforms, but you can do everything within your Google for free. There's also a blogger.com, where if you want to create a blog instead of a website, you can also do that. If you have a blog business, then I would suggest going for blogger.com. It's completely free, and we can access all of these different platforms, different apps, with just our simple Google account. So go ahead and check out Google Maps. Then you can go ahead and check out Google Sites if you did not know about these platforms. And YouTube is also powered by Google. So if you want to use YouTube to market your business, then this is also going to be a free way. And you can promote your business on YouTube actually really well. You can create review videos and you can also make money through YouTube. So, yeah, guys, this is how you can market your business using Google for free. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.